Hi Ramai, welcome to the second series of Te Whāriki Workshop. In this series, I'll be discussing 4 principles of Te Whāriki and how we could achieve those principles. The 4 principles are empowerment, Whakamana, holistic development, Kotahitanga, family and community, Whānau Tangata, and relationship. That's Ngā Hononga. Let's go in detail. Empowerment. The early childhood curriculum empowers the child to learn and grow. The word empowerment means giving the power to someone. In an empowering environment, children are encouraged to create and act on their own ideas and interests. So, when a kayako means a teacher, will constantly supporting children to learn and follow what they want to learn, what children wants to learn, than what the teacher wants to teach. There will be a lot of interactions between the child and the teacher, and also the teacher to the parents, because the teacher should know more about what the child's interests and culture at home, what they are doing at home. Please don't take the word power given to the child wrongly. We always make sure that child follow accepted behavior at the care. Teachers are the boss when it comes to behavior and the rules that children are expected to follow. So we should be talking to the child all the time about the rules and the behavior that the teachers are expecting from them at their care. Let's go to the number 2 principle, that is holistic development. The early childhood curriculum reflects the holistic way of the child. Holistic way, children learn and grow in a holistic. Holistic means, the whole of the child, the whole entire growth. A child's development is interconnected with cognitive, physical, emotional, spiritual, social, and cultural dimension. So it's about the holistic way of the child learn and grow. It's not just in just only one thing, we're not focusing just in cognitive or physical, but it's about everything. So we are seeing a child as a big picture than just a little. Let's go to the 3rd principle, which is family and community. Te Whāriki says the wider world of a family and community is an integral part of early childhood curriculum. The well-being of each child is interdependent with the well-being of their teachers, parents, and Whānau. Whānau means family. Children learn and develop when all these interconnected each other. So it should be interconnected, everything. We as a teacher should be able to connect it through knowing more about child's family and the community in which they are coming from. For example, if the child is coming from an Indian background or a Samoan background or a Maori background, a Tongan background, a Fijian background. So we should be able to know the community that they are coming from, so which is very important. And also we need to know the family they are coming from. So that's only possible through the interaction with the parents and the relationship what we have. That is the next principle. We're going to talk about that, which is number 4, which is relationship. Children learn through responsive and reciprocal relationship with people, places, and things. Children should have opportunities to try out their ideas and working theories through creating reciprocal and responsive relationship with people, places, and things. A collaborative learning is very important. We are very lucky to live in a country where we are able to access many facilities for free, and people are ready to help children's learning. There are local parks with amazing facilities provided by Auckland City Council. Police are very happy to help at any time. You just If you see a police in a police car, just to go and talk to them. They are very happy to help children. They will show them around and everything. They love it. Fire service. You can take children to your local fire station. They will help you to show children around the fire truck and their uniform and everything. Library is an amazing learning area. Go online. They have websites. On the local library, you can find the learning sessions that they provide for young children for free. Use those facilities. It's for our children. They have, for babies, they have infant playtime, reading story time or sensory playtime and things like that. So we can access those information from their website. So each area, each local library will be having those classes in a different time. So we need to know which time it is, and then we can just go for that. Local bakery. We can access that. They will be very happy to show the bakery and how they bake and everything. Local supermarket, for example, like Countdown or Pack and Save. Take children for a walk to show them how to shop. Or maybe you can go for a shopping together with the children. Show them what are the healthy food and what are non-healthy. We won't say not healthy, that, not a really good for your body. What is money and how we pay at the supermarket? Show them about the cards that we use. Some people use cash, some people use the card. Visit the local marae. Show what is a Maori for New Zealand culture. Botanical garden. Show them the seasonal flowers and talk about seasons. Walk around your community. Talk about the letterbox. Learning numbers and, learning unlimited. It is unlimited. You can't limit any child's learning. It's everywhere. Learning is everywhere. The only thing is that how you take it and present it to the child that makes them curious to learn more.